Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making elote. I have 2 limes that I cut and put my thing on high heat. Charcoal the bottom. Okay, it's been about close to 2 minutes. I'm gonna check it real quick. No, it ain't ready yet. No. Keep it on for about another 2-3 minutes. I get back to y'all as well. It's been about a minute and a half. It smells good. Okay, this one look like it's okay. You see it? Keep that on a little longer. Like the pan get more charcoal than the limes. Okay, this been about 45 seconds. What I did was turn the stove off. So I just want the heat to, finish cooking it. It scorch a little charcoal, but not burnt. Oh, okay, yes. Y'all see that? And I'm gonna keep this in there because it's giving flavor, baby. I'm gonna put a little canola oil. When it was heated up in another little container, I'll put in my mayo. It don't matter. Duke, Luke, Hellman, Tellman. Just put your some in there. I won't really say Miracle Whip, but hey, if you want that, go ahead and do it. And I'm gonna take half of my lime that I grilled up, and I'm gonna squeeze it in here. Yes, y'all. Flavor. What I'm gonna do is just put a little my seasonings and some salt-free seasoning. Just use a little bit. Steakhouse seasoning. And I know some people like, steakhouse? This ain't no chicken or no pork or no beef. Well, mine tastes like chicken, baby. If you don't want yours to taste like that, then hey, don't say that because I do. Like I said, steakhouse seasoning. Also got my beef cube seasoning. Yes. Bring home the meat taste across. Put some in there. My onion powder. All right, put my chili seasoning here. Put my Badaya complete seasoning, just a little bit. All right, before I stir that up, I'm gonna go to my pan again so the grease don't burn up. Okay, I'm gonna take corn cobs. While it's doing this thing, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this. Okay, put it off about a minute, a minute prior, and I just let it stay in here so it can finish cooking like this residual heat. Yeah, it's done. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna let it cool down. I'm gonna show you the next step as well. Okay. While it's cooling, I have crunchy Cheetos. And I'm gonna take a few and crush it with my hand. Okay, move that out of the way. And bring my corn back into plate. And I'm gonna take it and brush each of them. I need to taste a little bit too. I wanna make sure it's salted good. Okay. Okay, now I'll put on my crushed you know what else I gotta put on? I got Parmesan, but this is like a little lesser fat. So hopefully it's lesser salt. Sprinkle a little bit on this. Yes, y'all. I'm about to get to it. I started to melt some butter and like a dipping sauce, but I was like, you're doing too much because it's already lined up with stuff. You don't need that, and then you got the lime. You don't need all that. But I'm telling you, if you want to, you put some butter and squeeze some lime in there. Okay, I'm gonna get into it. First, I'm gonna get into it before I squeeze that lime on there. Elote. Caliente. This is seasoned. This is good. It's like you eating healthy chicken in a way. Healthy meat in a way. It's good. And then the Cheetos add like a little cheesiness to it. Even though it got the cheese from the Italian, but the Cheetos add like a, I can already taste lime from when I squeezed it earlier into the sauce. You could never need extra lime. This is good. Y'all doing like this? Muy bien. How you say "and is" in Spanish? That's what this is. Not only does grilling the lime bring out more flavor, it actually make the juice come out more, because you know with limes, it's kind of hard for the juice to come out. I know they say you can like warm it up and roll it, or I don't got time for all that. Trying to put it in the microwave and trying to, even when I roll it, it don't really. That worked though. When I grilled it and it added flavor. Hit this recipe up. Can't tap on it. But hit the recipe up. Hit this recipe up. Hit this recipe. You have a blessed day.